ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, or so they sort of thought. ETH, all things considered, faces obstruction at $1,364.37, which really is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum explicitly is floating at $11,986,915,820, which really is very huge. The EMA explicitly is right now at $1,421.10 in a significant manner. The 4th of April 2023. In this article, we will in every practical sense walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part clarified pressing issues. What fundamentally is genuinely transient cost expectation for Ethereum? Really is ETH a very wise interest in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on, which for the most part is very critical. Yet, prior to jumping pretty profound into the ETH specialized examination, especially let us in a real sense discuss the extremely current economic situation, showing how ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $182,407,897,617, which explicitly is very huge. The kind of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $52,294,939,930, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33% in a fundamentally huge manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03. Following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere around 2.13 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting that 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum really is floating at $11,986,915,820, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a very descending heading for especially present moment, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. As of now, a very broad genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a very large manner. Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized markers used to essentially distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they by and large thought. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers truly become basically more extremely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Genuinely further appearance how ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers truly move extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. By and large further appearance how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the ETH specialized investigation, basically let us for the most part discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, showing how ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which especially is very critical. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum is at $1,860.70, up 3.5% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 6.65% over the course of the week in a truly significant manner. 1-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is $11,986,915,820.00 while all things considered. All-out market cap came to $224,135,306,748 USD, which by and large is very huge. There fundamentally are right around 120,457,776 truly are available for use out of 120,457,776. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Investigation for the 4th of April 2023 inside a truly everyday time period generally made sense of underneath, exhibiting how these occasions for the most part show that the market sort of is going in a truly descending course for present moment, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength index, moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving commonly normal and dramatic moving genuinely normal to fundamentally dissect the future development of the Ethereum. Further appearance how similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers sort of become move extremely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Further appearance how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the ETH specialized examination, explicitly let us basically discuss the very current economic situations, showing how ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in a quite enormous manner. The MACD line especially is remaining above of the fundamentally signal line after a by and large sure hybrid. Truly further appearance how there certainly are very nearly 120,457,776 generally are available for use out of 120,457,776 in a quite huge manner. Ethereum financial backers need to by and large hang tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day graph, so similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers generally become move pretty dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Truly further appearance how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the ETH specialized examination. Basically let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations, showing how ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline in a sort of significant manner. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 42 and basically is attempting to really break out of the impartiality zone, showing that ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. While ETH's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition, an exchange genuinely signal in every practical sense is by and large conceivable at this reach, so the 4th of April 2023. In this article we will in every practical sense walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now and by and large attempt to answer these habitually in every way that really matters. Clarified pressing issues. What basically is especially momentary cost expectation for Ethereum. Truly is ETH an especially wise interest in a kind of significant manner. Hence the Ethereum market especially is given indications of being hopeful, and purchasers certainly have the extremely potential to drive costs of the cryptographic money essentially higher in the really next truly couple of days, which sort of is genuinely huge. The cost of ETH in every practical sense is supposed to especially break over its opposition level of $1,364.37, showing that the EMA explicitly is at present at $1,421.10, which certainly is very critical. On the really other hand, on the off chance that Ethereum basically broke out from the bullish example and drove its direction toward help level of $1,220.75,